Good day, class. So, continuation of our discussion. Okay. So, methods, another way of finding the determinant. So, this time, uh, we have the Sarus rule or the basket weave method. Oh. So, this is applicable only in a third order or 3 by 3 matrix. Okay. So, I will teach you how to do this. How to solve this determinant of this matrix. Okay. Given that we have this matrix A, so matrix A, matrix A. Okay. So what you need to do first is copy the first two column of this matrix. So this is our first column, this one. Okay, and this is our second column. So we need to copy these columns. So we have A here, D, G, B, E, and H. Okay? So that's the first step. Next, we are now trying to solve the determinant. Okay? Remember how we get, remember the process on how we solve for the determinant of the Leibniz, no? We will apply that process. So multiply these elements, these following elements. So we have A, E, I, okay, plus multiply this. Okay, so we have B, F, G, and last. Okay, multiply this. So we have plus C, D, and H. Okay, next. So this time, so we need to multiply this. Okay, so the operation will be subtraction. Okay, minus G, E, and C. Okay, plus this one. So that is H, F, and A, and this plus I, D, and B. Okay. So this is the general formula on how to solve the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. Or again, you can use this method. Use this method to determine the determinant. Okay, to find the determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, so let's have a problem with regards to this rule, Sarus rule. So given that we have matrix B, and this matrix B is a 3 by 3 matrix. So applying the rule, okay, step 1, copy the first two columns. So we have 1, 4, 7, 2, 5, and 8. Next, to find the determinant of this B, the matrix B, so multiply these elements. So we have 1 times 5 times 9, okay, plus this one, multiply this. So we have 2 times 6 times 7, plus multiply this element. So we have 3 times 4 times 8. Okay. Next, subtract it. Okay. I should write it here. Subtract it by this product. So 7 times 5 times 3, okay, plus 8 times 6 times 1 plus the product of this one, 9 times 4 times 2. So we have these equations, okay? These expressions. So we need to, next thing to do is we need to simplify it, okay? Solve for its determinant. Okay. So our debt B, so it may take a while. So we have 45, okay, 45, and then plus 84 plus 96. Okay. So this 45 came from here, from this product. This is the product of this. 84 from this one, and this 96 is from the this numbers, values. Okay. Next, so we have minus the following product. So we have RD, which is 105, okay, plus 48, this one is 48, okay, we'll get the product of this. And lastly, we have this product of this one. So we have 72. 72. Further simplify. So our debt B will be 225 minus also 225. Okay. So our debt B, or the determinants of this matrix B, okay, the determinant is equal to 0. This will be the final answer. Okay. So that's how you get the determinant using the Sarus rule. Okay. Just remember the following step, no? The first one is copy the first two columns. Next is get the product of these diagonals, okay? These diagonals, these blue indicated lines, okay? And subtract it by the product of these elements, no? These red lines, okay? Then last is to evaluate those, okay? Further simplify.